Next up, we have our parameters. Now, parameters are nice because they allow us to change the way that our method works. They're all about being able to have a unique bit of data. You can think of these parameters as local variables, just like what we have up here in main, but that data is provided by whoever is responsible for invoking the method. And I know I haven't got to the invocation yet, but that's, again, I'm just going through this bit by bit, just throwing out words here and there, and it'll come back once we start walking through how the execution of this works. After we tell C# what our method expects us to pass into it, we have to open up a block. And again, this is where things should become a little familiar. I'm not expecting people to really understand methods or how to write them or being able to identify when you should use them, but I should expect that this block right here, it looks very similar to the block we've already been using with main, and that's exactly how it is. We have another block of code that contains a variety of statements within them, and those statements are executable, just like how main contains code that is run. But the important bit is that methods are not actually automatically run, unlike main. See, main is a special method. We've already talked about it being the entry point to our application, and that means that when the program starts, the first thing the computer is going to do is it's going to invoke every single line inside of main in sequence. And the computer knows what lines belong to main because they exist within this block. Methods that are not main will not be invoked automatically. They won't be invoked automatically by the computer at all. But the general principle of this method containing multiple lines of executable code is the exact same. And again, we can use the same stuff that we've been learning about with main for creating lists or looping over arrays and all that fun stuff. And we can do that within this